everyone. Today we are discussing how to print pattern in C programming language. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So, before going to the programming, we need some basic knowledge about loop in C and nested loop in C. Here we are discussing how to print the star pattern. There are various types of star pattern, example triangular pattern, pyramid pattern, rectangular pattern, and so on. Among this, rectangular pattern is a very basic one. If you study the how to print the rectangular pattern, you can do all the programs related to pattern printing. So this is a basic pattern. So here we need some basic knowledge about loop and nested loop. This is a very easy and a very basic program. So here we are going to see how to print this rectangular pattern. So if you analyze this pattern, here we can see there are 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And in each row there are 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. So, first of all, we need 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So, we need to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For that, we need one loop for the rows. And in each row, inside each row, if we print first row, then we need to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside that row. So, we need a nested loop, that is for printing the star in each row. So here we can say that we need 2 loops. So first one is for the number of lines. That means for the rows. For each rows, we need a loop and we need a nested loop. Inside this loop, we need a nested loop. That is, in each row, we need to print 5 stars for the nested loop. Second one is the nested loop. That is for printing stars inside each row. So we need 2 loops. The first one is for the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and in each line we need to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. So we will write the code. We are going to write the logic. First of all, we need a loop for each row. So here we need a loop, that is a for loop. We need to execute this for that is first loop is for printing the number of lines. How many number of lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So we need to execute this loop 5 times. So I select the variable, which is I. Need to execute the loop 5 times. Okay. Inside the for loop, we need another loop which is for printing the star pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We need to execute that loop also in 5 times. So for take another variable, for example J 0. We need to execute this also in 5 times. And inside each row, we need to print star. So print star. Okay, this is a basic logic. So let's execute the program in a C compiler. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's write the C code. So we have 2 variables, I and J. So we need to declare the variables so that I and J both are integers. So int I, J. Then we have 2 loops. First one is a for loop. and the second one is a J loop. So second one is a for loop. Second one is also a for loop. For we need to execute the for loop 5 times. So 5. Then we need to increment. Here we are going to print the star pattern. So print, not print, printf. Sorry, star. Okay. After printing the first row, we enter into the next line. So printf. So let's run the code. Let's see what happens. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and in each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and in each row there are 5 stars. Okay, that's all about the today's tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon if you like the video. Then like, comment and share maximum. Okay, thank you. See you in next video.